Hello everyone. Today's topic is neurotransmitter and its function. Neurotransmitters are a chemical messenger that transmit signal from a neuron to target cell across a synapse. Here target cell refers to neuron or some other kind of cell like muscle or gland cell. Neurotransmitters are necessary for rapid communication in synapse. Neurotransmitters are present inside synaptical vesicle, which is present in presynaptical membrane of synapse. Here is a presentational view of processing of neurotransmitter in synapse. Properties of neurotransmitter. Neurotransmitter are synthesized in presynaptical neuron. Neurotransmitter are released from the presynaptic neuron under psychological condition or when stimuli takes place. Neurotransmitters are rapidly removed from synaptical cleft by uptake or degradation or by enzyme activation process. When it gets released from the synaptical cleft, it binds to the receptor which is present in postsynaptic neuron and the other receptor which is present on presynaptic membrane, which is also known as autonomic synaptic neuron. And after the bindation process to receptor, it elicits a biological response toward stimuli. Types of neurotransmitter. There are three types of neurotransmitter. Neurotransmitter are excitatory, inhibitory, and the third one is both. Here both refers to the neurotransmitter which having both criteria like excitatory and inhibitory. Excitatory neurotransmitter. Excitatory neurotransmitter are glutamate, aspartate, nitric oxide. Inhibitory neurotransmitter are glycine, GABA, serotonin, and dopamine. Both neurotransmitter. Here both refers to the neurotransmitter which having both criteria, which is excitatory and inhibitory. And there is two neurotransmitter which is acetylcholine and norepinephrine. Acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is a neurotransmitter which comes under category of the neurotransmitter which having both criteria, which is excitatory and inhibitory. Acetylcholine was the first neurotransmitter to be discovered, which is discovered by Otto Loewi. Neurotransmitter acetylcholine is used by the autonomic nervous system, such as smooth muscle of the heart, as an inhibitory neurotransmitter. Acetylcholine is responsible for stimulation of muscle, including muscle of GIT, which is gastrointestinal system. It is used everywhere in brain, and a disease which is related to this neurotransmitter is Alzheimer's disease. Glutamate is a neurotransmitter which come under category of excitatory neurotransmitter. It involves the most aspect of normal brain functioning, including cognition, memory, and learning. Glutamate is formed from alpha glutarate, which is an intermediate of Krebs cycle. Here is a presentational view of processing of neurotransmitter. So let's take an example of neurotransmitter, which is acetylcholine. So here is a synaptical cleft which is present in presynaptical membrane as neurotransmitter present in synaptical cleft. So let's take an example of acetylcholine as neurotransmitter. When enzyme activation process occurs to this synaptical cleft, the neurotransmitter acetylcholine is released from this presynaptical membrane, and then bindation process occur. These neurotransmitter binds toward two receptors which is present on presynaptical membrane. The presynaptical membrane receptor name is autoreceptor, and the postsynaptic receptor which is present on postsynaptic membrane of synapse. And after when it get binds toward this neurotransmitter, it shows its action potential toward stimuli. Some disease associated with neurotransmitter. There are so many disease which is associated with neurotransmitter. The first one is acetylcholine. Acetylcholine is related to Alzheimer's disease. And Parkinson's disease and schizophrenia is related to dopamine neurotransmitter. Epilepsy is related to GABA neurotransmitter, and migraine, ADD, and depression is related to serotonin neurotransmitter, and migraine and stroke is related to glutamate neurotransmitter. Thanks for watching, and special thanks to Rishabh sir, for influencing me.